video got nice. But anyways, I did go on again. Get back to it, Tyre. Focus. Alright. Oi. Alright, so yeah. Alright, boom. So I'm currently at school. Yeah. What's up YouTube, it's about Tata here, back with another video for you all. Now this video is a story time, you understand? Right now I was just at a little barbecue settings with the Jamaican people from all over the world, you understand me? I'm there drinking water. You can see it, look water I'm there drinking. You know what I mean? But for the year tell you a story time basically of what I did just to wear a clocks to school basically. Just to wear a clocks to school. Like, yo, this was back in primary school. Boom, you see all that a while ago? A base put a play with more. Anyways, this was back in primary school, guys. You understand me now? The school that I went to, yo, most of the students there were rich kids. Rich kids that telling yo, money rich.
Yeah, boy. I'm here editing the video, guys, looking over money rich. Let's continue the video. Like the video, people. Like the video.
Oh, money for rich. But anyways, money up. You see me, I say them have it uptown the school there. While me I live from we are downtown. I was like, my mother, by kick me, kill me for me. You know what I keep me, kill me, them big ugly shoes and them ugly black round mouth, them keep me, kill me shoes there, yo people. But can't mash up. Jamaican people, y'all know what I'm talking about. You know those ugly shoes. Them ugly shoes, you can't done them. You don't care what you do, them can't mash up. Now me, want a clocks to wear go school, you know. You understand? I mean every day I go to school, you know, me have to just sit on one side because what? My feet never really out there like everybody else. You see me, I say my feet is just calm and simple and easy. I don't know, say. You see everybody out fresh, you know, them clocks and them Nike. I mean, what shoes don't have no name. The shoes has no name. No name at all. But Jano, the video got nice. But anyways, I did go on again now. Get back to it, Tyre. Focus. Alright. Oi. Alright, so yeah. Alright, boom. So I'm currently at school, I really like, you understand me? I should ever ask me like, why my shoes stay so? So primary school, I try to remember it from a long time. When I try to go water, you understand? But yeah, primary school. This girl like me, I think. She was like, why don't I have no clocks or whatever? Because I had money spending at school. Like, when I like my lunch money was like $250. No, one that and that. But back then, $250 my lunch money. Enough money that you tell you, enough money. So you get $250 for go to school a day. Plus you have a bus card. Oh gosh, man, you're good. Enough money that. But anyways, not that about that. So me used to them buy lunch with me and her. Come on, that. No joke about it. This one like her. But when I go tell that story for you next time. But anyways, yeah. Now, I decided that, yo, mommy, first I asked her, mommy, can I get a class? I need a class to wear to school. I need different shoes. Yeah. She said, no, your shoes don't match up. Why am I going to waste money by different shoes? And my mother, miserable, me I tell you no. Miserable. Bad, miserable, me I tell you about it. You see me? And me decided, no. She said, your shoes don't match up. What you gonna do? You see me? Don't mash it up. Yo, you know when I used to go to school, I used to like, on the sharpener them. What I did was I stepped on the sharpener, I broke the sharpener, right? Get the blade out of the sharpener. Oh boy, I put some cut through the shoes, you see man. I put some cut the bottom, make sure that the water go up through the shoes. I cut up the top of it, make it look ugly. And the how much time I cut the top of the shoes still look firm. I put this cut under the shoes so water can go through it. I did something. And the next thing too. You know what she say now? She gonna say, why I cut the back of my shoes? You know what I do? I cut round the rim. You know the stitches them, the shoe stitch, the stitch around the shoes. You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, we cut out the door and them say it a make bread now. So you have to buy more shoes. But it didn't even a wicked one, you know. That's basically what I did just to get a class to go to school, yo. That grindy. That's savage, yo. That's savage. That's very savage. Well, call it. Feel like more drop some reaction tonight, you know. No song no drop, no music video no drop. Nothing no drop from reality. It's in the popcorn, incredible official audio. I hear that. Yeah, but basically that's it for this video, people. Thank you for watching. If you like button, subscribe button, your boy Tyrekevlogs there. My head back down to the party right now and thing, you see me? See if I can get 2 girl number for me and one thing. Boy Tyrekevlogs out. Peace.